Hey everyone, it's Mike from Mike's Bloggity Blog, and I'm here feet firmly planted at the Springbank Airport, but in a few minutes I'm going to be sky high with aerobatic pilot Brent Handy. He's going to be performing at this weekend's Wings Over Springbank Airshow, and I'm getting a sneak peek of all the tricks that he's going to be doing. I'm actually going to be in the plane with him. I can't wait. A once-in-a-lifetime experience. Let's do it. Okay, so we're here with pilot Brent Handy. I have to read you your title. Unrestricted surface-rated aerobatic pilot. What does that mean?
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know? No. So this weekend's air show is, what can people expect to see?
They're gonna get a really cool diversity of acts here at the show in Springbank. So you're gonna get guys like me who do solo kind of freestyle maneuvering where we're tumbling, and then there's gonna be military stuff with like high-speed and really noisy military jets. And then the jet teams, where my background was with the snowbirds team. Yeah. And that's more of a precision kind of show, and 9 airplanes in the same truck. This guy's pretty cool.
Amazing. Okay, so we're about to go up. Last question, is there an eject button?
There's not an eject button. Well, actually.
Oh, there's.
That one there's.
Perfect, okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. All right, well, let's head on up.
Sounds good.
Excellent.
All right.
It was so cool. He even let me fly the plane for a second. Okay, that was incredible. I honestly feel a bit emotional that it was such an unbelievable experience. I hope the footage, by now you would have seen the footage, so let's hope that it worked. What an amazing experience. The Wings Over Springbank Airshow is this weekend. I can't believe it. You have to check it out. Thank you so much to Brent Handy. Unbelievable experience. I'll never forget it.